guys, it's Klaudia. Welcome back to my channel. And so we are back with Nothing, and by Nothing I mean the new Nothing Phone 2. For those of you who don't know, Nothing is a fresh UK-based company. They have innovative designs and this is their second phone model. The first one came out around a year ago, so if you haven't seen the first model, make sure to check out my previous videos. I am manifesting basically that when the next phone model comes out, I will go to London and pick it up in store because I saw the experience was quite great. So I will be in that queue and we'll have it a bit quicker in hand. But anyway, I did order it this time, but I was quite shocked because I also got some goodies. I got a Nothing cap. It doesn't really go with my outfit right now, but I also got a Nothing sticker, and you might have noticed from the box I do have a white version of the phone. There is also a black version. Their storage options were quite different because for the white phone it was a bit more limited, so I had to grab the 256 gigabytes, which was a lot more expensive. So I did pay £629 for this phone, which is a bit more than I paid for the first Nothing model. But yeah, the box doesn't really give away what's new or anything, so let me just open it up for you guys and let's see the second model together. Oh gosh, that was such a bad unboxing. Ooh, look at that. Look at this compartment thing going on there. We got the information pack. Next up we have the SIM card ejector, the USB-C cord, and I love the detail on this. Like, the name is on the actual cord and it looks like a clean design. Let's grab the phone, and it has like a nice branded paper. Back of this phone, it always gets me. I've missed the design. We do have the rounded edges, but just feeling the back of this phone, it's a lot different because the first one didn't have this curved back. So where the glass is on the edges, it's slightly curved, whereas the first model was just flat. So I'm really surprised at this because it just feels really nice to touch. Like, it's very smooth and it just blends in really well. It is slightly heavier than the first model, and also the screen is bigger. So we do have 6.7 inches instead of 6.5, and I've also noticed the front camera is also in the middle rather than on the side. The LED lights are slightly different. They are broken apart, so there's no continuous LED lights. They've got few little gaps in between. There is a fingerprint sensor, or you also have the face recognition. There is a dual camera system, and the lenses on the camera do seem to be thicker and look a lot better. Bottom of the phone has the SIM card charging slot and also the speaker on the side. Get the side button. This is the top and it's nice and rounded, and now we do have the volume buttons on the side. In general, this is an Android device which runs on the Nothing OS 2.0. I like the Nothing OS because it allows you to create widgets for quick settings, and you can customize a lot more things in this phone, from your apps to the grid design, widget sizes, the color themes. I really like this layout. It makes it look more aesthetic and also does not look like an Android phone. It also has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. It's a lot better and much bigger of an upgrade compared to the first model. But I am also thinking, so for the Nothing Phone 1, will we get the Nothing OS 2? Would that make sense? Is that more of like a comparing it to Apple with iOS? is that basically the same thing. The camera is 50 megapixels on both lenses, and the front camera is 32 megapixels. See better colors and vibrance in the photos. Also includes a new motion capture and a 2x super resolution zoom, which keeps focus on the details. In terms of videos, it does have 4K 60 FPS. There is also an action mode, so better stabilization when you're on the move. Brightness of the screen is 1600 nits, and it's also 120 hertz. There is an improved battery with 4700 milliamps. You can also charge it in just 55 minutes, which is really good. There are also new features with the Glyph interface, different functions for that, such as the timer, the battery indicator, and different ways to show your notifications with the LED lights. Now there is a new ringtone feature where you can create your own sound. I have seen that the Swedish House Mafia have composed an exclusive Glyph sound pack for this phone, so there's a bit of a collab there. So my overall thoughts about the Nothing Phone 2. I honestly love the design. I love that they kept this design and didn't completely do a whole new thing. I love that they kept this consistent while also making few amendments, like this slight curved edges on the back of the phone. It makes the phone look a lot more premium, because it did slightly look like a toy with the first version. You could tell it wasn't like quite there yet, but this one gives it more of like a premium look, and especially the aesthetics on the Nothing OS 2. And so I am glad they kept this innovative design going. But there also has been quite a lot of negative views about the price, because what used to be quite a cheap phone now is more on the premium range. So I feel like the price is justified with the changes they have made. We have the improved Snapdragon 8, we have better battery, we also have better design, but also it looks more sturdier and more of a quality, especially with the improved camera system. Let me know your thoughts, and if you do love the new upgraded design. If you have enjoyed this quick unboxing, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!